Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to fix the Telegram. This app is not available problem and the issue where Telegram is not showing in the Google Play Store. You can see this is the problem, how to fix it. Okay, let's get started. First, now restart your phone and reopen it again your phone. Okay, back to home screen and now check your internet or Wi-Fi connection. My Wi-Fi already connected. Okay, back to home screen, done. Go to phone settings and scroll down. Then tap on apps option. Tap on search bar, search for Google Play Store. See, now tap on the Google Play Store. Scroll down. Then tap on force stops. Okay. Now tap on storage. Tap on clear cache and tap on clear data. Delete. Okay, back. And now tap on the permission option and first to last allow all permission. First contacts allow back. Second location allow back. Microphone allow back. And another nearby devices notifications, phone photos and videos allow all permission complete. Okay, back to home screen and open a Google Play Store. Tap on search bar, search for Telegram and see. I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe and like, comment, share now.